you, I already started with my preparation of my wings. I'm doing these fake. These is already marinating. I can show y'all the sauce I put in there. Well, I got some marinade sauce. That's just really Italian dressing. You can let yours sit in whatever you want. It can sit in barbecue sauce. It don't matter as long as you spruce it up. So I got the Creole seasoning. I got the onion powder. Got garlic powder. And I use this other Creole seasoning. This is good. And then the Slap Your Mama seasoning sauce. If you use a lot of that, it will make your stuff really spicy. Lemon pepper. I'll put a little bit of that in there. I don't really too much like lemon pepper seasoning. A lot of that. And I put the ultimate grilled chicken. This is going to get this from Williams-Sonoma. I work with Williams-Sonoma, so it has all that in there. A blend of garlic, onion, citrus, pepper, and herbs. It's really good. You can use it on whatever. I'm going to be putting it off in this new wave oven. These is kind of small. These is just chicken sections. I got these from Walmart. I usually go to Sam's and get them. They used to be a little bit bigger than this. Shit, I can eat this. I can eat this whole thing right here by myself. Look how small these things is. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, everything's in there. I got the extender ring on here, so I can see that. I'll go up here, I cook mine on press cook. I do 20 minutes, and it's already on high, and you just start it. You set it and forget it. It's my red new wave oven, and it's all of that. Alright, well I got that new wave oven going. I got some hamburger meat going right here. I usually cook my hamburger meat. I put water in there so the water's boiling out. And I'm gonna strain this real good, some hot water. Cause you can't really clean hamburger meat, so I boil mine in water and then I strain it and then I run some hot water on it. That's the only way you can clean it, really. But you can't really clean this. Just cook it. I say cook hamburger meat for as long as you can. Don't let it burn. See, like this is done. Alright. This is done. We're gonna have nachos, y'all. We got the Velveeta block going. And I do. Okay, what is that? I don't know nothing about this. I use cream of mushroom on. I don't put the whole thing unless I'm making a whole bunch of nachos. But today it's Halloween, so we just having like a little bit of nachos. So I'm gonna put half of this, and you put this in here, and you won't have to use so much cheese. It's really good. I'm like, what the hell she thinks she cooking? Like, bitch, I know how to cook. Anywho, make sure you get this meat cooked. You gotta chop it up, just chop it up. Make sure the red specks and everything. I can't eat medium well meat and all that rare shit. I have to eat my food gotta be, my meat has to be cooked. And it has to be clean. I clean everything. I'm so petty, I clean the egg before I even crack it. I ain't lying. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I'm making my nachos. There's the hamburger meat I was cooking. Make sure you get the hot water and rinse it off. As much of that grease out of there. I don't like greasy ass nachos, dude. Or like I see people like make hamburger meat and they don't drain off their grease. Hell no. That is not the business. Y'all need to quit being lazy in the kitchen. Y'all need to drain y'all meat just like this. You don't want to have no greasy food. Unless it's some chicken or something. I don't even want no greasy ass chicken. Okay. This is pretty much not greasy. And yes, I'm used to hot water, so it's pouring like that. Raised up like that in the kitchen with my grandma. See? Alright, so we're going to let that sit and we're going to get our pan together. We need some milk. We got the cheese, the rotel, the onions. Okay. You got this clean pan. Make sure you clean your pan out. Come back to a clean pan. You're going to be adding milk. I'm going to eventually put the hamburger meat back in here. But we're going to add the milk and the cheese first. I'm going to be using mild rotel. I'm going to do my minced onions, garlic powder, onion powder, of course, and pepper. That's pretty much all I like in my nachos. I know slap your mama seasoning and all of that. But we're getting it together. Okay. I'll just put the rotel in there with about the little strainer. Make sure you strain it real good so it's not all watery. And I did put the cream of mushroom soup and the velvety cheese. I'm just going to give it a stir. Make sure it's on low heat. You don't want the cheese. You don't want it to burn at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put the meat in. Okay, so we added the meat and some red onions. And you just go from here from taste. If you need some more seasoning, more cheese, or whatever you need, just add it. I got a feeling this is gonna need more cheese. Okay, I haven't forgot about the wings. I just turned these over. We're gonna cook them for another 20 minutes on the other side. Okay, so y'all wings is done. We got the barbecue wings. And I'm about to do some other wings, and I'm gonna do those lemon pepper. I'm gonna transfer them into this nicely trimmed in foil. I trim it in foil because I don't want like the bottom part to, because I'm gonna put it in the oven. I don't want the bottom part to get all messed up because I make my cornbread in this. So I'm just gonna put the foil in it so I don't have to do too much scrubbing. I don't want the nonstick to come off of here. Alright, we're gonna transfer those wings in here and we're gonna do some more wings. Okay, I'm about to put these burgers on the grill. And yes, I'm doing a lot today. We have a lot of food since it's Halloween. And what's in here is the hamburger meat, of course. I got some red onions. I have an egg down there. You can see it. I have barbecue sauce in here. I have Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is a burger booster, so no, it's not disgusting. Um, let's see. I did put some honey mustard in here. All of this stuff I put in here is gonna make my burgers really moist, and they're not gonna dry out on the grill. So if you don't know how to cook, then you would think this is gross. Okay, this is all mixed up and it's ready to start making patties. So all that good stuff is in there. Make sure your hands is really clean. Don't need no dirty fingernails. My fingernails is so clean. And we're just gonna make some patties and we're gonna transfer it over to this. This is actually my it's a glass cutting board, and then I just have some paper on it, non-stick paper, so when I take them off there, they won't stick to the board. I just have it on here instead of the plastic, instead of the, I think this is tempered glass. If you're gonna have a cutting board, this is the one to have. The wooden cutting boards is not gonna get it. There you go. Okay, we got this row done. So what we're gonna do is put some more sheets on it, and then we're gonna just keep going. So we have a little bit more hamburger meat to do. Not that much. Okay, so we only have 4 burgers left. So we got 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. Okay. One more, we would have 10. Anyway, we got 9 burgers to put on the grill, and we're gonna get outside. Okay, y'all got the grill going. I put them burgers and them Nathan hot dogs on there. There goes Batman. Hey, Batman. Hey, Batman. Batman. Batman, my man. Hey, my man. Okay, so I got my grill mats. And I got my pecan wood. I'm gonna drop some pecan wood in there. And we're gonna get these burgers and these Nathan hot dogs on the grill. Okay, we got our grilling mats ready to grill. Time to go. So we're gonna put these burgers on here. That boy took off running, that's funny. We're gonna put these kind of close, let me see. Like that. That's apple pie. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put the rest of the stuff on there. We're gonna put the Nathan hot dogs, and that's all we grilling. So y'all, them burgers is cooking. This sucker done flipped over. It's windy. As soon as I open this damn thing up, it blew back. We got to put these Nathan hot dogs on there. Get y'all. These the big ones, y'all. Look. Them suckers big. Look at that. Big. Got to go down. These the best hot dogs ever in your life you will ever taste. Beef Franks, quarter pounders, it's on. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the grill. Moving around a little bit. Yeah. If you want to, you can put some little slits in there like you do the hot links. You don't have to. There you go. My grill. That part's broke. It's supposed to go at the top, but I couldn't find no screws for it to go up there. So, oh well, to be like that. Yeah, here go our wings. We got barbecue, lemon pepper. We ain't got that many wings. I should call Walmart and cuss their ass out. These little bitty ass wings. Look how small them damn things is. We gonna mess them up though. Something to come up with. I bought this from Walmart, so we just snap it on there. I was gonna put them in the oven, I'll just leave them in here. So. Okay, we got them burgers flipped over. A little juice on there, just make it go down. What you gotta do? If I don't have the grilling mats, get some. Easy to clean off. Burgers, hot dogs. looking good. We're gonna take them off. If you want yours to get a little burner, that's fine. Okay, so there's our hot dogs. We got them all ready. Tupperware bowl. Time for a lid. Yeah, this is our finished burgers. I got them like the oven's on, but it's like right there. I'm gonna put them in there so they don't dry out. You can cheese them, do what you want to do to them. Me personally, I like barbecue sauce on mine with the bun and me a whole bunch of onions, and I'm good. Thank you for watching.